Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about morph. You can find it in transition window. What morph mean? Morph mean, for example, let me tell you in an easy way. Let's think we have a rectangle here. Let me copy this slide, and we have the rectangle here in the next slide. When you choose any transition, for example push, it's going like this. But when you choose morph, see what is happening? It's going to create some animation for us. Here you see moving on the previous slide to their new location on the current slide. To get the best slide result, duplicate the slide, move things around, apply the morph transition. You see, it's going to move things for us. But it's not just moving things for us. It has many great abilities. For example, let's say we have two of this rectangle. What's gonna happen, you think? Let's run it. See? Nothing good happened. But if we have two here, what is going happening now? You see, the morph is going to move the object in the way that previous slide to the new slide. It also do something more amazing. For example, let me just reduce it in size and see it in the new slide. See, it can also change the slide size. How? Let me create an example for it. Think we have a rectangle like this here, and then copy this slide and have a rectangle like this. And press morph. You see, it's great. It has many uses, many great uses. For example, you can create something like this also. See, you can increase the time or decrease to see different looks. See, it's very fast, and you can slow it also. For example, put it 13 or 3 seconds, and then run it. It's very slow. It has many uses. It uses in many ways. You can also change the colors. For example, let's say it's be green and the next is blue. You see, it's going to change the color in the smoothest way possible. Let me show you a great example of how it changed the colors. For example, we have a shape here. We have a shape here, circle, and then we copy this and change the color to, for example, let's say yellow. And then we set the transition to morph and increase the time for you to see how the transition is working. Let's see. You see the color is changing little by little, and it's very smooth. We can create some amazing transition you can ever think about. For example, let's see something like this. Here, bring to front, and then copy that. Select all, shape format, align center, align middle, and then transition morph. You saw this? It's really beautiful as a transition. It works great. It has many uses. It can also work on pictures. For example, let's add a pictures from our another course. You can say copy. Let me just copy this picture, paste it here, and copy this slide. You can go here and reduce the picture in size and send the transition to morph. You see, it's going to decrease the picture. And also you can do something really greater. How? You can go here to picture format and crop the picture, and then you can see the amazing morph. That's very smooth, very amazing. It has no limit. Its only limit is your creativity. You can use many things, do a lots of things. For example, you can also, let me add another picture from stock images. Wait a little for the stock images to load. For example, what we choose, this snow is good. Let me insert this. Let's say we have this picture here, and let's copy it. And let's say in the first picture, we want to format picture and say its correction to sharpness moderate. Oh, it's very low. It's good. Contrast 75. It's good. And then when you run this slide, it's going to smoothly change the pictures details. It works a lot, and you can do many great things with it. If you want, in our templates we have many use of it. You can go and see and learn from them, but it's enough. I think you also learn a lot from Morph, but it's many options for you to use. For example, you can create something like this. Let me create it. For example, create something like this. Copy. See? Do you see how great it can be? You can create many things. I will tell you about when we complete our course. We are going to create some PowerPoints that are complete and tell you about everything you need. Ask me any question if you have in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are in the end of this lesson. Have a good time until the next lessons. Until then, bye.